Anyway, it's got from Wessex Blades. A little bit of a tabletop show off at the moment. I have to drop the light down, I'm guessing. Okay, and this is my SL series Mora after the oil has been impregnating the handle for about 4 days, so it's pretty hard. Got a little bit of tidying up to do in there, but give that a go. That feels really good actually, that sort of ripple effect. But anyway, see in a minute, got some little special things. Okay, so I put that away. Sense of scale. Could have put an AA battery there for you to gauge things. Special job, a treasured companion to someone I shall refer to simply as Nitro. Obviously this chap is not one of the people who like to be on YouTube, so fair play. So he's been known as Nitro, and I'm going to sharpen this. Now this is what they call a silver spur. Now it's by, yep, it says, is it Snap-on? And it's a tiny lockback. Isn't that twee? So, for all those who want to do a bit of research, if you can see the detail on this tiny little thing here, it's tiny. And yes, it says Snap-on. So, I shall do that some point today. Just want to share that with you. Look at that. A silver spur. Kershaw. Yep. That is heavy duty. Screwdriver, file, sort of a thin hacksaw blade, screwdrivery liftery thing. Well, I haven't seen anything like it. So I'll be sharpening that for him as well. Look at that. Who thinks to design the thumb stud to work on the retention clip? Eh? Look at that. Anyway. Very treasured hand tools from a colleague of a friend of a friend of a colleague. And there's that special. I just had to share them with you. It's a Kershaw. The equivalent now is the Crunch, isn't it? By Leatherman. I should be putting a little edge on that, along with this. Oh, and there's a. That's how it goes on your keyring. 1/4 inch square drive Amazing. Thanks for joining me again. I had to share those. They're great, aren't they? This is heavy. And someone else pop them out of the way a minute. Out of the way. Scale, stand. What's this? More sharpening commissions? How many friends have you got? You're all asking. Leatherman Supertool. This is heavy. So a lanyard hole is on there. And this little thing here. It's the jewels. USA on it. Have a look at the gizmos on here. So we've got a serrated blade, a huge screwdriver, cross point, a little bit of an awl, and your can opener. Locking mechanism is quite brutal. So how do you unlock it? Lift the next one out, I'm guessing. It's all new to me. Yeah, you lift the next one out. So like my blast, he locks. He's locked. So now you bring the saw over. And then that lifts the lock. So you can unlock your blade. Clever. Main tools. What the hell's that? An enormous file. Screwdriver section. Screwdriver section. Bit of an awl. Now that's a big blade. Ooh, that is big. Oh. That actually says Portland. Portland, I'm guessing Oregon. Correct me if I'm wrong. So what era is this? Apparently 1991, and he's come by it. Leatherman USA on that one. Leatherman USA. Wow. Jurassic Leatherman. Bit of a busy weekend here. So Supertool 300. Lift the file over, does the lock, unlock the blade, back in there, unlock that one, that goes in, liner lock, it's going back in there. That's cool. It locks the handles together and it locks the blade when the blade comes out there. And that. It's tiny, innit? Thanks for joining me again. Had to share those. See you in the next one.